Why does my HVAC system keep turning on and off? This is called short cycling, and it usually happens because your system is struggling to keep up with the temperature you set, has an airflow problem, or has a sizing or electrical issue that is making it shut off before it finishes a full cooling or heating cycle. Think of your HVAC system like a marathon runner who keeps getting told to stop and start every few steps instead of running smoothly the whole way. When that happens, the system never gets to finish its job properly, so it turns back on almost right away, over and over. A big reason this happens is a dirty air filter, because when air cannot flow through freely, the system overheats or freezes up and shuts down as a safety measure. Another sneaky cause that most people never think about is a unit that is actually too big for the house. It sounds strange, but an oversized system cools or heats the space so fast that it satisfies the thermostat almost instantly, then shuts off, then kicks back on minutes later because the house was never given a chance to stabilize. Low refrigerant, a dirty condenser coil outside, or a thermostat placed near a sunny window or a heat vent can also trick the system into cycling way more than it should. One common mistake is ignoring the air filter for months at a time, so make it a habit to check it every 30 days and replace it when it looks gray or clogged. Another misconception is that closing vents in unused rooms saves energy, but it actually messes with airflow and pressure, which can cause short cycling, so keep vents open even in rooms you barely use. People also assume a bigger, more powerful system always performs better, but oversizing is one of the most overlooked causes of this exact problem, so always have a professional calculate the correct size for your home before replacing a unit. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.